So good afternoon everyone. Maharashtra Premier League Season 2, a new day, new match, and match number 21. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have won the toss. They will be bowling first. Here they are, the playing 11 first of PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Aniket Porwal, Rahul Tripathi, Sachin Dhas, Siddharth Matre. The playing 11 of Eagle Nashik Titans, Mandar Bhandari, Arshin Kulkarni, Kaushal Tambe, Atharva Kale, Ranjit Nikam.
Mandar Bhandari is going to open for Eagle Nashik Titan, Arshin Kulkarni. He scored a brilliant 41 last match. Nehal Tusama, he's going to start his bowling. He has bowled superbly in this Maharashtra Premier League this year.
PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have won the toss and bowling first. And the first ball, nicely driven. Good fielding as well, but that will make Mandar Bhandari feel good. 8 wickets that he has picked up. Nicely driven. Down the leg side, as easy as they come for Arshin Kulkarni. Again strays down the leg side. A nicely hit over the infield. That has been timed really well.
Yeah, big shot over the mid-off for 4 runs.
Yes, he hits that well. One bounce into the fence.
This is good batting by Mandar Bhandari. And just trying to confuse, but that goes. There's the wicket. The pace variation. This was bowled much slower and too far away. He read Mandar Bhandari what he would be looking to do. Going against the spin. 42 for 1. In the air, has he connected that well? Fielder there, one hand chance. Beautifully played on that occasion, Sahil Parak. Kept on playing in the minds of the batters. Goes straight over the fielder's head. What a start! Is that the clear message that they'll be looking to up the ante? It's a different trajectory, he just skids through. Arshin Kulkarni now gets into the act. Short ball and 6 runs.
30 गेंदों में 51 रन आए. ये रिवर्स स्वीप. साहिल परख. क्या विकेट टेकिंग गेंदबाज है ना. हवा में गेंद है बिल्कुल, पर यहाँ पर क्या शॉट है. ये गलत शॉट मारे. मैंने बोला जितना सीधा मारेंगे तो बिल्कुल.
Against the run of play, Kiran sir kept saying that he just has to stay straight, but just couldn't resist himself. It's 102 for 2. Ranjit Nikam, the new man in.
अर्शिन कुलकर्णी रुकने वाले नहीं है. शॉर्ट गेंद थी, पूरा फायदा उठाया. चौका.
बाओ जगह बनाकर खेला उस गेंद को, कवच के क्षेत्र से निकाल दिया है. चौका.
ये अच्छी गेंद. बोल्ड हिम. तो हवा का साथ मिलता है तो बिल्कुल ये गुगली रीड नहीं कर पाए और बोल्ड हो गए. 118 पर 3.
Again ready. New man in. Straight down the ground.
और अभी भी ये बड़ा शॉट. शॉर्ट बॉल.
Outside with a purpose, with an intent. This time cuts it hard. There's a fielder there, will not be able to cut it out.
Nice shot. Nice use of the feet this time by Kale.
In the air, he hasn't timed it, or has he? Yes, he has. He goes the aerial way, but on the bounce. Oh, not the best of fielding efforts there. Fielder will watch it sail over it. A brilliant one-handed catch by the ball boy, though. Atharva Kale hit that over long on. It cleared the fielder. But these young cricketers who come here as ball boys, oh, nicely done with the accreditation card there as well. Wonderful. This will be another 6. Smart batting this. Bowls a full toss. But the fielder at mid-wicket judges it really well.
Yeah, but Kale would be really disappointed because he hit some good deliveries for boundaries. And this time, when he got that full toss, couldn't convert that into runs. 177 for 4.
Dhanraj Shinde has walked out to bat. It goes high, along with the elevation, the distance as well.
एक और बड़ी हिट, इस बार 4 रन.
Arshin has hit this really well. Outside edge. In the air, fielders, 2 of them. And finally it is Sachin who calls for it.
ये वो साइड भी बड़ी है ग्राउंड की, क्योंकि आज जो पिच दी गई है 73 यार्ड्स की वो बाउंड्री है वहां पर. 202 for 5.
Arshin hits it straight and over the side screen. Fielder there, it'll go over him.
And then you've got this ability. You've got this ability. Moves on to 97. What a hit. No, you keep quiet. Concentrate on your cricket, boy. You're only 19. You don't need to do that.
And now this one, 97 not out of just 57 balls. Sahil Parakh, a good contribution of 40. If the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have to have that record in their name, they have to score 1 run better. 223 is the target.
But what a batting performance by the Eagle Nashik Titans. Ankit Bhavne in place of Nihal Tusamad. So Nihal Tusamad's job is done. Aniket Porwal as Mukesh Chaudhary is back and fit. Yes, on the money again as expected with Mukesh Chaudhary.
Should be looking to enjoy these batting conditions. Just like that. Caressed away.
PBG Kolhapur Tuskers nicely done again. Creating room for himself. 97 unbeaten now in the second. Swept by Bhavne. Throws his bat and connects well. Short ball now, looking to pull straight up. Shot third man. Chance taken.
That extra bit of bounce, the effort ball. Maniket was trying to go over mid-wicket. Got underneath it. 27 for 1.
In comes the skipper. Rahul Tripathi on strike. And nicely played again. Over the infield. Oh, what a shot that. Over the point region, 6 runs.
You don't have a fielder there. You don't have a fielder there.
So the only batter to have 150 plus scores for both the teams.
And straight away. That's a 6. What a start.
He looks a different batter altogether. This time room outside the off stump, slashed away. Another boundary. Ah, that's a lovely shot. Room outside the off stump.
And what a way to end. Yes.
Short delivery.
4 out of 5 innings that they batted together. Again, this time a bat bounce there. What a way to start the over.
Is that reverse? Becomes very difficult to motivate the team. This time shot. Played it over square leg. Gone for it. Gone over. He said, I'm Chandu Borde, and then I realized that that's his name. Oh, what a lovely hit.
There's an appeal here and given.
ENT. Full toss ball, he missed it. The plum in the front of the wicket. The excellent decision by umpire. 110 for 2.
Sachin Dhas.
Cannot have a dot balls. Excellent shot.
And Sachin Dhas here going to clear that short extra cover. will have to walk back.
Led that shot beautifully, but captain had kept that fielder. 117 for 3.
Siddharth Matre is the new batter.
बिल्कुल अच्छी बारी खेलने पड़ी. क्या शॉट, कमाल का शॉट.
Oh, that is a misunderstanding and a direct hit.
मुझे लगता नहीं था रन था, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी पहले बार आप 2 रन भाग चुके थे. उसके बाद देखो सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में, कोई चांस नहीं था. अंकित बावने भी भागते हैं, वो आउट हो जाते. डायरेक्ट हिट, चौथी विकेट खोई कोल्हापुर टस्कर ने.
Yogesh Dongre is the new batter. Nicely hit.
ओह क्लास, बहुत ही बेहतरीन. बोल्ड सुपर्बली. ग्रेट शॉट. ये देखो, सिर्फ दिशा दिखानी है. फुल टॉस गेंद, चौका मिला. लगा था ऐसा इनिशियली, और ये चौका. मिसफील्ड शॉट. वाओ, कितना लंबा गया है छक्का.
Nicely hit. Again, it'll be a boundary.
Just because he's been playing shots like that. Take a bow. Just like that, clears the fence. Once again, picture perfect. Flat batted for 4.
Has he connected that well? Yes, he has! Ankit Bhavne sweeps on the cow corner region. 6 runs. Sweeps as he connected. Fielder there will be a spectator. 6 runs. As he connected that, fielder under it. Oh no, it's not taken. And might just have enough for it to reach the fence. Yes, it does. 4 runs then. Is Ankit Bhavne, and rightly so. The winning runs. Record chase. Nischay Damdar, Vijay Shandar is the tagline of the Maharashtra Premier League. आणि आज PBG कोल्हापूर टस्कर्सचा निश्चयही दमदार होता आणि विजयही शानदार मिळवलेला आहे. It's a record chase for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. They have won it by 6 wickets to spare. We'll have a look at the match summary. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers won the toss, deciding to field first. Eagle Nashik Titans scored 222 runs. Loss of 5 wickets. Arshin Kulkarni, 57 balls, 97. Atharva Kai, 45 of 19, 2 wickets for Shreyas Chavan. Looked like a big score to chase, but PBG Kolhapur Tuskers chased it with an over to spare. 6 wickets to spare in just 19 overs. Ankit Bhavne, 94 of 48.